How to generative expand an image in Photoshop. Let's get into it. With your image open, head over to the crop tool in the toolbar. This is going to add the crop guides to your image. If you come up to the settings up here, there are a bunch of presets that Photoshop allow you to use. For this example, I'm going to use 1x1 square. In my scenario, I want this woman in the middle of my photo, and I also want to extend the image so I have more scenery in my image. To do this, I'm just going to zoom out ever so slightly, and then holding Option on my keyboard, I'm going to pull on this bottom handle here. As we can see here, it's moving all sides uniformly. I'm just going to continue to do this until I'm happy with the size of the image. That should do. I'm just going to move this slightly so she's definitely central. Now, as we can see here, we do not have data here. However, we can use Generative Expand to complete this image. So the next step is to choose Generative Expand from the contextual taskbar. It's going to bring up this dialog box. You can enter a prompt if you want to and change the model if you want to. I'm just going to keep it as default and not put a prompt in. I find it does a good job most of the time. Once you're happy with this dialog box, choose Generate, and then Photoshop is going to take a moment to generative expand your image. Once it's complete, if you come over to the properties box, you have 3 variations that you can cycle through. Choose one that you prefer the most. I prefer this first one the most. Now, if we toggle off and on from our original image, we can see that it's done a pretty good job of extending that image. If you're not happy with what the AI has done, you can re-prompt it by entering a prompt in here and then choosing Generate, and then it will re-prompt it for you. And that is how you generative expand an image in Photoshop, and that's all there is to it.